Getting one client isn't the goal. Anyone can land a one-off job. The real shift happens when you turn that one client into predictable monthly income, because random payments feel exciting. Recurring income feels stable. Let's talk about how to turn one client into £300 per month consistently. The mistake most beginners make. Most beginners think in tasks. 5 posts for £75. They deliver, they get paid, they disappear. Then they're back at zero. That's not leverage, that's survival. Businesses don't need random graphics. They need consistent visibility, they need structured content, they need someone who handles it. If you position yourself correctly, that someone becomes you. Step 1. Shift your positioning. Stop thinking, I design posts. Start thinking, I manage content consistency. That small shift changes everything. Design is a task. Consistency is a solution. Solutions justify monthly retainers. When you speak to your client, don't offer more graphics. Offer structure. Step 2. Build a simple monthly package. Keep it simple. Basic 8 posts per month, £200. Standard 12 posts plus captions, £300 to £350. Premium 16 posts plus story templates, £450 to £500. You are not charging for hours, you are charging for outcome, consistency. One client at £300 per month. All you need is 3 clients like that, and bang, that's £900 per month. Not from hustle, from structure. You don't need 20 clients, you need organised ones. Step 3. How to transition from one-off to recurring. After delivering the first batch, send something like this. I'd recommend we move to a monthly structure, so your content stays consistent and results compound over time. I can handle this fully, so you don't have to think about it. Notice the tone: calm, advisory, professional. You are not asking for permission, you're offering stability. That's authority. Leverage mindset. When you structure one client properly, something shifts. You stop chasing little £50 tasks, you start building predictable income. And predictable income changes behaviour. It reduces desperation, it increases confidence, and confidence attracts more clients. This isn't about Canva, it's about control. But this here I'm going to explain is a bridge to the next skill. It's not all just about Canva. I just found Canva being one of the easiest ones. But here's the truth. A skill alone is fragile. Even recurring income is fragile. If you don't control client acquisition, if you can't predict where your next client comes from, you're still reacting. In the next video, I'm going to break down the acquisition system that compounds this. Because skill plus structure is powerful, but skill plus structure plus controlled acquisition, that's leverage. This is passport profits. We don't just earn, we build systems. Thank you for listening.